We are at Automate in Chicago, where we are seeing the latest and greatest in automation technology. And today we are looking at Doosan from South Korea to talk about Mixmaster Moody. I have CEO William Rue with me to talk about how this works. William, what did we just do? We took a picture, and now we're about to get a drink made entirely by robots, right? Or cobots, as you call them. Yeah. Tell me more about this.
Okay, this is the world, the global, the number one, the robot barista, and the basic concept is, it has three different type of the new state of the technology. The one is AI. We collaborate with the Microsoft ChatGPT, and AI just analyzed based on our picture, analyze our mood. Then it gives us information, and it provides our customized the cocktail and recipe. And afterwards, our robot, this is a cobot, collaborative robot. It's very safe, and it's very similar to our human arms. It makes the cocktail, and the last part, if you see that the hand, that is gripper, special gripper. It is also some garnishing. So this is totally three different new technology put together, and the combination. That is a really great thing.
Very fascinating. As you can see, it even garnished it. Thank you, William. Doosan also has other cobots and robot creations to satisfy your other cravings, including a cake decorating baker bot quad, as well as a barista for all of your caffeine. And of course, Mixmaster Moody back here will take just 3 minutes from start to finish to create your perfect custom cocktail. In Chicago, Kelly Severi, Fox Business.